All right, how do you convert Google Slides to Figma? How do you get it into Figma? Well, it's super easy. It used to be a bit more complicated, but nowadays they've made it really simple. You just select it, click more, and then copy to Figma, okay? It exports directly for you. You can also get here by clicking export, okay? And Figma shows up. Click convert, it says. Your HTML will be converted to code.to.de sign and processed accordingly. Well, click convert, and basically what this does is, there it is, click copy. It says design copied to clipboard. Now just hit Control V or Command V in Figma to paste it there, okay? So now, for example, I've opened Figma, and if I hit Control V, there it pastes this section, okay? As you can see, it lets me select different things and so on. I have to say, I'm not used to using Figma, and I don't know if this will let us select each of these sections. I'm also in the design view, okay? Well, for those who know Figma, there you have it. If not, we can also get the code. I think Figma lets you modify the code with a paid version, so we can access the code too, okay? Here in view code or export. So there we have it.